Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the callback function which we can call them when we simulate our scene. So let's open our example file, the sample 63, the noise logic. We usually use this for demonstrating our features. Let's place our agents and the playback. You can see that nothing special, just a group of agents walking. And let's create a callback and call the function when we place our agent and the simulation. Okay, inside of the cache tool in the callback tab, the first we need to specify the callback times when the simulating and the caching, and the second one is only caching. So for this case, we need to enable the when simulating and caching. We will demonstrate how the function called it when the agent is simulating. And then firstly we need to demonstrate how to call a function when we place the agents. For example, we click this place, we will call a function. So let's first define a function here. In the Python tab, def after place, and the print, let's just print a message after placing agents. Okay, and select all of them and click the run. You can see that this function has been defined. Let's just copy and paste this to the post placement callback Python here, and Control V. And at this time, let's clear the script editor and place our agents. You can see that the after placing agents, the message has been printed out. So this means the function after place is working. And then we're going to introduce the pre-simulation Python and the post-simulation Python. Here, let's just name that with the simple one, AAA. With the bracket, please notice that this is a Python callback. We are only introduced the Python here, and the post-simulation Python is BBB. So let's define these two functions, def AAA print, and this is the before first frame of scene, def BBB print after last frame of scene. So also we print this message for this callback function. Let's select all of them and click the run, and this function has been defined. And let's run the simulation. And please notice when we play back our simulation, you can see that the before first frame of simulation is printed out. And when the simulation is to the end, it will print out the after last frame of the simulation. So let's just wait a little bit and waiting for the frame to the last frame. Please notice the script editor. You can see that after the last frame of simulation, and then the second loop is start. And that means our simulation, the callback, has been called. And when you click this button, it will not call the after last frame of simulation. It will only call it after the frame range end. So please notice this, the characteristic. And let's introduce the pre-frame of the Python and the post-frame of the Python. So just imagine that run the simulation. For some frames, you want get the position of the agent 5 at the before the simulating this frame. For example, the frame 21st, the frame 21. We want to get the position from for the frame 20, and then we want to get the another position of the next frame. So for this, we need to use the pre-frame the Python and the post-frame Python. It will call it after the simulation and finished for that frame, and before and after that frame. So let's do that. This is before and after these two functions. And here def before get cmds.get adder. Let's get the position of the agent 5, the translate z .tz, and the value should be stored in the variable a and print a. And this is the before, and let's just copy and paste and create another, which name should be the after. And the content is the same, so let's select the both of them and click run. These two functions has been created, and let's run the simulation. And see, in the script editor, you can see that the TZ of the agent 5 is the 32.98 for the frame 22 before that 22 frame, and the 22 frame end, the position of the agent is moved to 34.51. So this is a usage of the pre and the post, the frame callback of this the callback function. So this is a pre-frame Python and a post-frame Python. That is the callback for that. And you can use this for creating anything like inside of your scene. You can do some of the configuration after plays. And when you reset your scene, you can also do some operations onto the scene setup. Okay, this is our introduction for the simulation and the placement callback. Thank you for watching. See you next time.